Good morning, guys. Today is a moody, foggy morning. Our plan today is that we go to the bakery for buy some bread for do a traditional Swiss breakfast. Gerne einen Butterzopf, einen kleinen. Ja, gerne. Dann 4 Buttergipfeli, 2 Weckli.
Hast du aber 3 für 2? Darf ich das dritte nehmen?
Ja, gerne, ja.
What we have? Ta-da!
Ein Zopf, Gipfeli, Weckli, Fruit Juice. This one?
What is this cheese?
This is from Lucerne.
Strahlt schon vom Gruß.
Ja, das ist gut. Gut, danke. Schönes Wochenende.
Ja, danke, schönen Tag.
Ciao, Rita.
Ui, ja, ui. Now, someone wanna eat breakfast with us.
Yeah. Breakfast in Switzerland is important for the people because normally Saturday, Sunday morning we do a brunch with eggs, with cheese, with fresh warm bread, a traditional start into a Swiss day. Eat breakfast, guys. Look at this. We have some tomato, cucumber, butter, traditional Swiss Rösti, fresh bread from the bakery. First of all, a little bit of the coffee. So let's try this Butterzopf is made with butter. So softly. Time for a Gipfeli.
I don't have fork. It's softly inside and
Here, it's a crusty.
not much.
Yeah, nice.
This is my favorite.
Five-minute boiled egg. This is a special equipment here.
This one is my favorite.
This is a nectarine.
We open like this, right? Then It's softly. I like. I don't like when it's crispy, but some people like when it's crispy.
Yeah.
This one. My
And this is sweet, right?
Yeah, I like when softly and sweet. Have water inside.